Leader Dogs for the Blind and Sellers Subaru welcome you to Puppy Madness Elite 8 Competition, Part 2. First up, Auburn vs Kentucky. Let's get this started. We have a pretty even game so far. But what's this? Auburn using a strategy that might just give them the edge. And it does. Auburn in an upset. Now let's find out who they'll play. Michigan State versus Duke. This should be a great matchup. But no, it's not even a contest. Michigan State clearly takes down Duke and will be the puppy pick. With a brief break this week, the Puppies will continue training as they get prepared for their next round of picks.